Hello there, this is Alana Tucky, and I wanted to show you how I expect you to fill out an Excel spreadsheet and work with StatCrunch while you follow along with the lecture notes. So if you are in a section that requires this, or if you're in the online course and it's required, as I go through the notes, I will do calculations or make graphs, that kind of thing, with Excel or StatCrunch. And then you will be asked to submit it at the end of watching all the videos. You will submit a spreadsheet that has everything that I did. So what do I mean by that? Well, let's look. So I have Excel right down here. If you don't see it down in your start menu, you can go to this little icon right here, the Windows icon, and type Excel, and then wait a second, and there it is. So I have Excel 2010 on my computer. All right, so this is a basic spreadsheet. Let me just move my little recording device over here. So this is a basic Excel spreadsheet, and you can see down here that I'm in sheet 1. Now they're actually sheet 2, sheet 3, and what you're going to do is you're going to, for example, double click down here and label it. I'm in chapter 3 right now, so I would say 3.1 example 3, for example. All right, and then you can go up here and you can type number of pets, and you can type the numbers 1, 0, 4, whatever happens to show up in the video, you will follow along. All right, and you do the calculations just like I do. So as I go to Excel and I fill things out, you fill things out. Oh, and by the way, if you want to make it easier to view, sometimes it helps if you zoom. You can do that by, I just did it by holding down Control and fiddling with my scroll button on my mouse, but you can also do it down here in the bottom right corner. See that where it says zoom? I can zoom out, I can zoom in, that kind of thing. All right, so that's where to go to get Excel and to play around with it, and I will show you things like highlighting and bolding and all of that as we go. All right. So the other thing I'm going to want you to do is work with StatCrunch. So StatCrunch is available in your MyMathLab course. So the first thing you'll have to do is go to coursecompass.com or mymathlab.com, whatever, and sign into your class. Ugh. There you go. I'll just pick the Math 133 class for the fall. It doesn't really matter because all the Math 133 courses work like this. All right, so when the course comes up, you'll see right here, there's a little button for StatCrunch. You can click there. Okay, you can get data sets from your textbook, or you can just go to the StatCrunch website, whichever, which means, just keep clear, you could have gone to, oops, I'm typing it wrong, statcrunch.com, and you can use the same username and password that you use for MyMathLab. You can use that to get in here. Cool, huh? So I can just open StatCrunch like this, and then I can go paste, copy and paste those same numbers. So let me copy right there, clicked on copy, close my Excel window, and I will go here and I will paste, Control V, and there they are. And then I can name them number of pets or whatever. And then you'll learn that you can do stuff in StatCrunch. For example, I'll just find real quick something that we'll do in chapter 3, right? Whatever, and then I tell it to calculate. I can copy, and then I can go back to my Excel spreadsheet and I can paste. Right click and paste, or you can go up here and paste, whichever. And then I can see all of those values that came out of StatCrunch, right? So often I will have you do both. I'll have you do Excel and StatCrunch together for the same problem, because you need to know how to work with both programs, especially later on in chapters 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. You'll basically be working only with StatCrunch. So you want to get used to it now. And it's a really nice little program, and it's free. You don't even have to be logged into Course Compass. You can just go use StatCrunch anytime. It's free. It's up on the web. All right, so that's that. And then when you're done with the spreadsheets, you'll name them all their different things, and you'll go to File, Save As, and save it wherever you want. And you'll put your name on it and what chapter it was. And it was like your technology assignment. So for example, I'm saving this one as Tucky, Chapter 3, Technology. It has to have your name, has to have what chapter it was, have to have that it was the technology assignment. And then you'll submit it to me. All right, I hope that helps you figure out your assignments. See you later.